Hi everybody, thank you for watching this video. Just I am request everyone to subscribe the channel and click the bell button to follow you. I hope everyone was using these vocabulary words in your daily life, in daily communication, wherever it's needed. Just use it so that it will be useful for you and it will be helpful for you to improve your communication. Let's go for today new vocabulary words. Before going to the words, just we see the course about the vocabularies. A good communication will be measured by a perfect vocabulary words. Yes, our communication will be measured with perfect vocabulary words. So vocabulary is more important while using a communication. Let's go for a new word today.
Adjourn. Adjourn. Adjourn.
Adjourn, a break off with intention of resume later. That is some things we are doing the practice like that. Just we want to do something practice before we going to be do in any live or anything which is doing in cultural program like that. So we are to perform some action before we will do some practice wise that is called that is known as
Adjourn.
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 Adjourn, just break off with the intention of resuming later. Some things we are giving break to do something later. So next vocabulary word is
Adjudicate. Adjudicate.
adjudicate. Make a formal judgment on the dispute matter. It means that adjudicate it's a thing judgment actually.
Adjudicate.
Tir alipadai. So that is called adjudicate in Tamil.
Adjudicate.
In English, it's a formal judgment on dispute manner. So action as a judgment in a competition. So some things we are adjudicate means a result, a judgment, which is from the competitive result. You can say that like that. The next word is for English. It's
Adjunct. Adjunct.
adjunct.
Adjunct.
A thing added to something else as a supplementary rather than an essential part. So it means that where something is adding to something to especially for it's not an essential part, that is something which we are using for additional. In Tamil we can say
Adjunct. சேர்ப்புக்கு.
just for uh, adding something on your set actually. You can say computer technology is an adjunct to learning.
Adjunct.
It means that it's additional thing. It's not thing. It's an essential part, but it's additional thing. Some things which you are adding something supplementary, that is for additional purpose. So next vocabulary is next one is admonish.
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 Admonish. So what is meant by admonish?
Admonish.
In English we can say reprimand familiarly, family. That is something we are fear of actually. You can you can see a special word sentence for this. She is admonished me for at appearing at breakfast and shaven. So some things we are something we are feeling fear of inside, that is admonish.
admonish,
And in Tamil we can say,
அச்சமூட்டி எச்சரிக்கை.
so some things we are, so you can understand that, and something which we are making fear to warning, fear with warning, the both the mixture of the both fear and warning, making you to fear and by giving the warning. So that is called
admonish,
admonish. So next vocabulary verse is,
ado,
adu. Yeah, it's looking very small, but
ado,
that is more important. So in Tamil we can say
வீண்தொந்தரவு,
some things which unless of disturbing something, someone, unrelevant of something. It's not a thing that you are disturbing someone, which is not a matter of you, but you unwantedly going and disturbing someone. That we can call
ado,
ado, a state of agitation or fuse. Some things which is not relevant to disturb something, but you disturb something. That is God. We in Tamil we can say
வீண்தொந்தரவு,
being tondaravu. So adu.
ado,
The next vocabulary is
adroit, adroit,
adroid. Adroid. What is mean by adroid? So it's mean that skillful or clever. Someone who's very skillful or clever, we can say he
adroit,
is adroit. That's why he is adroit at attacks wideness. Kai தேர்ந்த. In Tamil we can say,
கைதேர்ந்த,
so kai தேர்ந்த, it's nothing but it's a
கைதேர்ந்த,
something we want expert. So next vocabulary words is, so we can see the adoration,
adulation,
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 adulation, adulation.
adulation,
So in Tamil we can say
தத்தெடுத்தது,
someone is adopting actually. So something like adoption, excessive admiration or price. So
adulation,
adulation is something adopting someone something. So that is excessive admiration or price. So in Tamil we can say
தத்தெடுத்தது,
தத்தெடுத்தது. So some things we are adopting. Okay. Next vocabulary is the
adulterate, adulterate,
adulterate. Adulterate is some things which is poor in the quality actually. So you can say as uh, poor in the quality by adding another substance. So something which is not very good quality actually, that is called adulterate actually. So adulterate
adulterate,
in Tamil we can say kalapadam. So
Kalapadam,
adulterate is a
Kalapadam,
it's something which is poor in the quality by adding the other substance. So adulterate is a it's meaning that something's poor quality by adding the other substance. So next vocabulary is
adumbration,
adumbration. So what is meant by adumbration? So adumbration it's called overshadow. So overshadow, what is where it's coming the overshadow? Some things we are overriding or some overcoming the overlapping some event that is in that sequence we can use that adumbration. So in Tamil we can say
നിഴലുണ്ടാക്കുതൽ,
so something is creating the shadow. So next uh, cover is
advent,
advent. What is meant by advent?
advent,
The arrival of notable person or things. Some things we are expecting some person to arrive, so that it's a meaning of
advent,
advent. So vocabulary for use for that is advent. You can see some I can tell you one sentence also, the advent of television. So we are waiting for arrival of television. So, so waiting for some things to arrive, that time you can use advent.
advent,
So uh, in Tamil we can say vargayudan.
வருகையுடன்,
So hopefully that you have got some very good 10 vocabulary words. So they please use this daily communications. It is not a necessary that you purposefully use this vocabularies when you're talking with someone or when you're communicating with in email. That time if you coming with any situation to use these vocabularies, yeah, please use it, and so that it will be make you to remind for a long time, and also it will showcase that your communication is improved. So thank you for watching the videos. Once again I am request everyone to subscribe the channel and click the bell button. Thank you and thank you so much. Bye.